Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 83rd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use get and post method. We'll start with doctype HTML. We'll start with HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag. Now we'll end h2 tag. Form action equals to welcome.html. Method equals to get. Get is used to request data from a specified resource. First name, input type equals to text, name equals to now we'll use break tag, last name, input type equals to text, and now we'll use break tag, input type equals to submit, value equals to submit, input type equals to submit, value. Here we have to write form method equals to post. The post is used to send data to a server to create or update a resource. Here we'll use post. Value equals to submit using post. Now we'll end form tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 83 and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML and 83rd program. We click on first name, it shows Vikram. Here we have to write but, and if we click on here submit, it shows thank you and welcome to Magic of One Click. So basically submit and submit using post shows the same output. So this is the basic output, and don't forget to check the tags in description for a clear understanding.